Ever felt like Bitcoin is just too slow or expensive for daily payments? Meet the Lightning Network, Bitcoin's secret weapon for fast, cheap transactions. Let's break it down super simply. Now, Bitcoin is powerful, but it's not exactly built for speed. On the main blockchain, transactions can take 10 minutes or longer and cost several dollars during busy times. That's fine for big transfers, but not so great when you're buying a coffee or splitting a dinner bill. That's where the Lightning Network comes in. It's built on top of Bitcoin and is designed for instant payments. So, what is the Lightning Network? Think of Lightning as a fast lane for Bitcoin. Instead of recording every tiny transaction on the main blockchain, Lightning lets people open private payment channels. Within that channel, they can send Bitcoin back and forth instantly and with almost zero fees. Only when the channel is closed is the final balance recorded on the blockchain. It's kind of like running a tab at a bar and settling up once at the end of the night. Here's how it works. Let's say Alice and Bob want to exchange Bitcoin often. They open a Lightning channel and each put in 0.1 BTC. They can now send tiny amounts to each other instantly, for basically free. And even if you're not directly connected to someone, the network finds a route through other open channels, kind of like how the internet routes data. It's fast, smart, and secure. People are already using Lightning to pay for coffee, stream podcasts per second, tip creators, and more. Apps like Strike and Wallet of Satoshi make it super easy. And since it's still Bitcoin underneath, all the benefits of decentralization and freedom are still there. The Lightning Network is still growing, but it's one of the most exciting upgrades to Bitcoin yet. Want more fast and clear Bitcoin explanations? Hit subscribe and keep learning with me every week.